Ibovan. In Sinhala, it means greetings to you. So I'm Vidur from Post Coding School Project 11 batch. My origin is Sri Lanka. So without any further ado, let's go into the basis. So in our internship, we have done a good project on NLP AI. Actually, it's a sentimental analysis. So let's get on with it. So let me share my screen first. So as you can see, uh, let's go into the coding part. So this is the coding part. So actually, at the starters, I have to explain a little bit about my project. So in our project, so you can just and Dr. Sylvester, they both taught us how to develop a model and how to develop that model to analysis the reviews. I mean, whether that review is good or bad. So we have taken an amazing data set, and then with that data set into CSV data format, and we have built a model, and also we have done the web scraping part from ut.com. So then after that, then data uh, you extracted to the database called SQLite. So finally, we have developed a dash interface that represents our result. So let me run this code. Yes, we run again. Yeah, so you can see that sentimental analysis meter. So in this project, there are several parts that I can divide it. So I will divide several this site into several parts due to the easiness of the understanding. So the first you can say reason, sentiment analysis, summary, visualization. So what is this? So this visualization basically depend on the amazing data set that we have that I have talked about previously. So in that data set, there are many customer reviews. So there are, I think, about 700, over 700, like there are many customer reviews. So we have to know whether this review is good or bad. So depending on the module, depending on training model that we have developed, we have obtained this uh, actually a pie chart that whether how many percentages are positive or negative. As you can see, positive percentage 33.3 and negative are 66.7. So that's that. And the second part is to check the actually the head name check the service quality with our sample input. Actually, the purpose of this that if user enter some review, I mean, let's say, okay, let's say this product is good, okay. So if I type this, yeah, this product is good. So and actually I uh, created the show review, but to the show the both reviews, I mean, you can see later. So when I type this product is good, if you click show review, as you can see, user input review is positive. But as you can see that check the service quality with a sample input. What does that mean? So the sample input means that later on that in our internship we have extracted some review response data from each site. So I have selected some handwear products. So there are about 137 reviews so from customers. So i I have extracted those into CSV and into the SQLite to the database, and I managed to get those input from this drop down menu. So let's see, just perfect in quality, thank you. So if I click this, you can see drop down I have positive. So other than that, not quality, good quality. So you can see drop down result is negative. So that's that. So with the our sample input and the other things, I mean, you can input the data and proceed what is happening, and the you can input in your input, and also you can check our input to see whether the review is good or bad. So those are the things that we have done so far. And actually this project internship is a good thing that we have able to develop a sentimental analysis on this data. So Other than that, this button has created for me to in order to understand that who am I. So as you can see, click me to see who is behind all this. Yes, I'm Vidura from little country called Sri Lanka. Yes, and last but not least, as you can see, there's a customer review of our service. That means that if you visit us, right, you can see that how to, I mean, you can recommend and how that would how good this service. Okay, you can see give you reaction to our service if you don't mind. So you can select 3 or 1. I don't know. It's your opinion. Okay, so then you can just submit. Okay, so that's that. These are the things that I have to explain in this project. So this sentimental analysis is a good thing because we need things to develop our things. So that's that. Thank you for joining me and thank you for hearing me out. Okay.